Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Clash Royale account. In order to delete your Clash Royale account, first of all, open up your Clash Royale app on your device, and once you end up in this main homepage, tap on the menu button at the top right. Now go ahead and tap on Settings in the pop-up. Inside Settings, go ahead and look for More Settings. And from the More Settings menu, you will see Delete My Account button. Tap on that and you can request for deletion of your personal data. Click on Delete My Data on the next page and then go ahead and select Request or Delete My Data in the Clash Royale support section. Now you can go ahead and choose to delete your data or request your data. To delete your account, tap on Delete My Data and follow through the prompts. After you do that, you can then select a response. Select if you want to start a new game or delete this particular game. Choose Delete this game option. Click on I agree in order to continue the deletion. And finally click on Delete Account. All you need to do is to follow through the prompts and you will then be able to delete your account for a Clash Royale. Remember that your Supercell ID will not be removed as long as it is connected to any other Supercell games. The deletion process will take up to 30 days, and while this is in the progress, you will not be able to log into the game with this account. So that's how you easily delete your Clash Royale account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.